Hello friends, welcome to our channel Uninfinite Knowledge. Today's our word root is Ali, which means another. Our first word is alias, which means a different name that someone uses instead of their real name. For example, Robert entered the India using the alias Robo. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, the full name of times, divide, square root, cube root, and their alias name. Our next word is alienate, which means to make someone dislike you or not want to help or support you. For example, the students alienated themselves from the new student as they found him to be violent. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, rest of the peoples alienated themselves from the girl. Our next word is alien, which means from a different country, race, or culture, relating to a planet other than Earth. For example, principles that are alien to them. Remember this word by relating this picture. Our next word is unalienable, which means impossible to take away or give up. For example, all men are by nature free and independent and have certain unalienable rights. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, as a citizen of the country, have their fundamental rights. Our next word root is avi, which means bird. Our next word is aviary, which means an enclosed area where birds are kept. For example, the zoo has a new outdoor aviary. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, birds are inside a large cage. Our next word is aviatrix, which means a female aircraft pilot. For example, within a few years, Trot would be a pioneering aviatrix during the golden age of flight. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, female pilots are in front of aircraft. Our next word is aviation, which means connected with making or flying planes. For example, two events launched by the history of modern aviation. Remember this word by relating this flying aircraft picture. Our next word is aviator, which means an aircraft pilot. For example, the solo flight from New York to Paris by the aviator Charles captured the imagination of people around the world. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, pilot stands in front of aircraft. Our next word is aviculture, which means breeding and rearing of birds. For example, Singapore plays a key role as a major international transshipment hub for the global aviculture industry. Remember this word by relating this picture. Our next word is avicide, which means the killing of birds. For example, Saurav has been employed as a rodenticide and avicide. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, a person is killing a cock. Thank you for watching our channel. I will back with our next word root.